Dead brainstorming while recording. I don't know what to do. Okay, I think I almost got it. Almost. Or not. I don't know. No. Maybe. Yes! Okay, here goes Carnage. Right now I'm trying to build an arm using EVA foam. Using my heat gun to get a shape out of it. I'm using barge cement glue. It's really good for like foam and plastic or wood or other things. I'm not really sure, but you know, it's really good for the foam at least. I have scrap EVA foam, just going to glue that on the arm. I also used a glue gun and added some more texture on the arm. So right now I'm just applying my glue, letting it kind of dry a little bit so it can get tacky enough to stick. Okay, this is the ending of the arm I'm trying to build, kind of like a four. If you saw the movie and you saw Carnage, you'll see that you have this kind of 6-8 point thing, but I did just a 4-point, but like a claw kind of thing. Just taking scrap foam and just taking my other foam, my tub of foam, and putting it together. I really just winged it the whole way, and shockingly it came out pretty good. There's another arm I create that's going to go on my actual arm. I'm taking my nail Dremel and just adding texture all over. Paint job. This thing looked like a lobster. When I finished this, I said, this would be like a lobster. I was just dying. I said, what is this? But it worked. Okay, I got my Carnage teeth ready. I'm covering my eye. That's my face cast, my jacked up face cast. I could just never get it right, ever. It's like my second one I made, but whatever. Liquid latex and flour. At this point, I really didn't know how to do this correctly, but I've learned the correct way finally, because it looks so textured. Like it was just a mess. Like it was just like, it was horrible, but it worked. Adding my teeth. I'm actually doubling it, so the bottom has like a double row, top double, just double them up. Building my tongue out of foil paper. I'm just going to use like foil paper, a lot of foil paper, and just build a tongue. Just basically get the shape I want. I kind of got the formula right here. Kinda, but not perfectly, but yeah. Liquid latex and flour, just applying it all over, let it dry, hang it up. Ready to go. Okay, so I covered up my breast with the pasty and tape. I'm just playing with the arm, seeing exactly where I want to put it, and that's the best I can come with. The arm was just too big for me. I should have made it that big, but whatever. Did my half of my face. Playing with the mask, see exactly where I want to put it, how it's going to lay on me. Using some medical tape I had laying around to just kind of cover up my wig. Don't want to ruin it. Aide, my favorite adhesive, works the best. Had a piece of latex and just stuck that on there to protect my wig so that, you know, the mask can stay on. Because it was just not laying right. You know, still a beginner, but trial and error. Using Maron water-based paint in the color red, just going all over. I'm using Bonnie Carbon technique by leaving a little space in the arm, even though I went ham with the gelatin, just started throwing it all over. She gave me a lot of nice tips, especially for the tongue, because I did not know how I was going to create that tongue, but thank you so much. Yes, she's so bomb. I'll make sure to put her info in the description so you can follow her. Awesome. Paved the way. She definitely paved the way. Adding gelatin to the teeth, gelatin all over. Just throwing it everywhere. I don't know what's wrong with me, but I'm just doing whatever. Some lipstick. I used some black liquid latex for the piece, my prop, my arm piece. This I found so funny. I don't know why, but yeah, wow. Big sucker through my mouth. Jesus Christ. And it did not fit correctly. Like the teeth was blocking it. She did this in her video, like tested it out. I don't know why I didn't test it out, but whatever. It was so uncomfortable. It was so disgusting. I didn't know what to do. Whatever. Need to spit. Go ahead and spit. My hair kept getting tangled with this gelatin. It was so funny, like weird, but just kept combing it. It was a disaster, but whatever. And we're done. Hello.
There you are. Death to you, Father.
No!
Not you, Father. You, Father.
Oh, shit!